Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the Casetify new collection cases. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. I have been using Casetify products for a while now and I am enjoying it. But if this review is not biased at all, this is my experience using after the Casetify cases. I know first of all they send me these, I'll be totally transparent, but this is not a biased review. Whatever I'm saying in this review is not paid and I'm just being transparent. Let's get right into this video finally. So these are antimicrobial cases, which are the most slimmest and the most protective cases for the iPhone 12 series out there in the market right now. I mean, by this statement they really mean it. No other competition is as close as Casetify. As you can see in the video, the packaging that they gave me is just so good, and if you are going to order a Casetify case, the packaging will be the top notch. I don't think any company will provide you such a great packaging, and to be honest, this was my favorite packaging ever. This is to be honest, this was as good experience unboxing this as my iPhone 12. So you got the point. The unboxing experience was so damn good. So I got these 4 cases out, and my favorite one is this one, because the texture of this is just awesome. I don't know about you guys, let me know down below which case do you guys like, but my personal favorite is this one, because I just like the color of this, and other postal ones are also good, but this is my favorite one. Talking about the unboxing experience, as I said, unboxing experience was really awesome, but the main thing that I liked except the cases is that they send a sanitized wipe for your tech products. You can wipe your tech products whenever you go out, and whenever you come into your house. You do not want to rub your hand sanitizer to your phone, because I have heard that many people do that, and I was even doing that few months ago, but now I stopped doing that. You should not do that. Use these wipes by Casetify and you will get a cookie. Yep. Talking about the design of cases that I ordered is really dope, but you know what is also dope? Go on their website. As you can see on the screen, I have a quick snippet. You can see here that the cases by Casetify are really damn good, and I'm going to order more soon. So if you are interested into that, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And these cases are really awesome. I'm really impressed by the quality of these cases. These are ultra slim, and the durability of these cases are so damn good. And after applying these case on my phone, I am now not worried about dropping my phone, and even if I'll drop my phone, I know that this case is good enough to take that impact and save my phone from getting cracks or scratches. Another thing that I liked of Casetify is that they have a variety of options and the customization option in a range of fonts, colors, design, using personal photos, and it is even available in stickers, print, floral, marble. You can write quotes and custom art collections. I mean, there are, you name it and you get it. Whatever you can do, you can get your personalized gift to if you want to gift it to someone, you can get that. The personalization and the customization by Casetify on their cases as just one of the best I've ever experienced. And another fact that you should keep in mind before buying is that it is drop test approved. What it means is that you can drop it as many times as you want. Your phone will be secured, and it is even tested from 10 feet, which is just awesome. And I have heard that Casetify cases are one of the best cases around in terms of performance. I mean, alright, this is not performance, but this is durability. In terms of durability, it is one of the best cases around you can get right now in the market. No other company is offering you as great value for money as Casetify is giving you for the iPhone 12 series. The bumper profile of these cases are one of the best I've ever seen in the market right now. I have tested multiple bumper cases for my iPhone 12. I have not even given a review because those were not as good as this is. This is the best bumper case I've ever used for a smartphone till now. I mean, I'm not a case guy, but after using the bumper case of the Casetify company, this is by far the best cases I've ever, by best bumper cases I've ever used. And I can say that the lip above my screen, the tiny little lip, is going to protect my device from getting tiny little scratches, hairline scratches, and I'm pretty sure that my device is now safe and secure. And another personal favorite thing that I like about Casetify cases is that it is made from 50% recycled material. Are you getting it? 50% recycled material. This is such a great thing. I mean, Apple, if you are watching this, look at Casetify, man. What are you doing? Casetify is saving environment in such a great way. Talking about MagSafe, this case is also compatible with MagSafe. Customization with initials, you can do initials, you can write your name, as I just talked about that. This is 9.8 feet tested, as I just said couple of seconds ago, that I have heard that these are 10 feet drop resistant, which is just awesome. You can use Casetify community hashtag and upload your photos on Instagram and Twitter if you want. And of course, at the end of the day, this is one of the best experience I've ever had using a Casetify case, and especially any case, because as I just said, I'm not a case guy, but after this I'm sure going to get a lot of cases to review, and I'm really excited for you guys to show cases to review. And yep, thank you all for watching this video. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. At the end of the day, again, thank you so much Casetify for sending these. If this video was helpful for you all, be sure to give it a like and comment down below what is your favorite case. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.